Hello, deep learning explorers. Here is what most tutorials never tell you about activation functions. Without them, your trillion-parameter neural network would be no smarter than a basic calculator. Building on our previous talk about neural network layers, we are going to discover why nonlinearity is the secret ingredient that makes artificial intelligence actually intelligent. It is the bridge between simple arithmetic and human-like pattern recognition. Imagine you have a deep network with dozens of layers. If every layer only performs linear operations, something strange happens. Mathematically, a series of linear transformations is identical to just one single linear transformation. It is like trying to build a tall ladder where every rung is at the exact same height as the first one. No matter how many rungs you add, you never actually get any higher. To understand this, think of a linear layer as a rigid plastic pipe. This pipe is perfectly straight and cannot be bent. If you connect 10 of these pipes end to end, the water flowing through them will still only travel in one single direction. The depth of the pipeline adds length, but it adds zero flexibility. In a neural network, this means the model can only ever learn straight line relationships. This is where the activation function comes in. Imagine inserting a flexible segment of clay between those rigid pipes. Unlike the plastic, the clay can be molded and bent into different shapes. In the world of deep learning, this clay is our nonlinear activation function. It breaks the rigid chain of linear math and allows the network to change the direction of its information flow. Why does this flexibility matter? Think about a maze or an obstacle course. If you can only move in perfectly straight lines, you will eventually hit a wall you cannot pass. But with clay joints, the pipeline can snake around obstacles. This is how a network learns to distinguish between complex data points. In data science, we call this a decision boundary. A linear model is like a rigid ruler. It can only draw straight lines across your data. If your data is simple, a ruler is fine. But real-world data is messy, curved, and layered. A straight line can never separate a spiral or a complex cluster. Now, look what happens when we add our clay segments. Every time the signal passes through an activation function, the line has a chance to pivot and bend. By stacking many of these flexible joints, the network can wrap itself around the data in incredibly intricate ways. Let us revisit the idea of depth. If you have 3 linear operations in a row, the math simply multiplies them together. It is like taking a photo, then zooming in, then rotating it. You could have achieved the exact same result with just one step. In this rigid world, adding more layers does not add more intelligence. It just adds more redundant calculations. But with activation functions, depth finally becomes powerful. Each clay joint allows the next layer to work with a shape that is already curved. Layer 1 might learn a simple bend. Layer 2 turns that bend into a corner, and Layer 3 turns that corner into a complex feature. This hierarchical learning is only possible because of nonlinearity. Activation functions also act as filters. Think of a security guard at a gate who only lets people through if they have a specific ticket. Some functions completely block negative signals and only allow positive ones to pass. By deciding which neurons should fire and which should stay silent, the network becomes much more efficient. When you scale this up to millions of connections, the result is a massive, flexible mesh. It is no longer just a pipeline, it is a multi-dimensional fabric that can fold and stretch to fit almost any data pattern in existence. This is why deep learning can solve problems that were once thought impossible. It is all thanks to the humble clay between the pipes. The big realization is this: depth without nonlinearity is an illusion. You can add 1,000,000 layers, but without that flexible clay, you still just have a simple linear model. Activation functions are what turn a basic calculator into a creative engine, allowing them to learn the world's complexity. Every time your phone recognizes your face or your voice assistant understands a question, trillions of these tiny clay joints are working together. They are bending the flow of numbers to match the unique curves of your features and the specific frequencies of your voice. Without the ability to bend, these systems would be blind and deaf to the nuances that make our world so rich and varied. Now you know the truth. Activation functions aren't just extra steps, they are the very soul of deep learning. They provide the flexibility that turns rigid math into intelligent behavior. If you found this intuition helpful, subscribe to join us as we explore the specific types of clay used in modern AI. Keep exploring and keep building.